All right, guys. How you doing? First of all, thanks for watching my videos. Okay, now, if you are in Live Good or thinking about it, okay, this video, it's for you, okay? There's not a day that goes by that I don't get an email or an inbox message on Facebook from someone that says, I joined Live Good, hours ago, weeks ago, months ago, some even a year or two ago, because Live Good is now 2 months, I think over 2 years. Let's see, December. No, it's March right now. So Live Good officially as an affiliate kicked off December 13th of 2022. Okay. So a couple years and a couple months goes by and boom, here we are in present day. So depending when you have signed up in Live Good, okay, relax. Now, obviously, if you were in the first week or two of them kicking off December 13th of 2022, that is an advantage because obviously no one has signed up yet. Someone has to sign up underneath someone and so on and so on. Okay. And over the last couple years, a lot of people sign up either as a member or an affiliate, but you and I know. And if you don't know this, this is either good or bad. I'd say over 90%. That means over 9 out of 10 people that might sign up with me over the next month or so, or you, they will probably get excited to be an affiliate. They'll pay that one-time $40 fee. And they're just like, oh man, I want to make some money. Maybe an extra 100, maybe an extra 500. You can decide that depending on when bills come, because you'd like to make 5 million a month. Wouldn't that be nice? But to be realistic, I think most people think that, since you don't have to buy products, and it's affordable, $40 one time, $40, two $20 bills, and then $10 a month, minus 5 cents, $9.95 a month. That's all Live Good costs to get wholesale pricing on all the products and to earn money because you did that one-time $40 fee. So if you're watching right now, for $49.95, you can join. All right, you can do this Live Good thing. Or if you want to join for the year, for $100, you get 12 months for the price of 10. Totally up to you. I don't make any more or less. A lot of people just want to pay for the year and get it done and get the 2 free months. Okay? Now, what I get asked a lot is how do I get people either excited or even interested in clicking a link, watching a short video about Live Good? And guys, you can use the products for real with Live Good because they are the best, in my opinion, because we use the most expensive ingredients, but we're still 30 to 70% less than most, if not everyone, in this health and fitness category of supplements because we are a wholesale-based company. For that $9.95 a month, guys, you are getting just about the cost that it costs to produce Live Good. Make the product, put it in a container, ship it to Jupiter, Florida. We're going to have distribution centers, Africa, UK, all over Asia. Guys, we're a worldwide company, very successful. Okay? We're going through the growth right now. It could be growth pains. All right? We're all trying to be big and macho and awesome. Okay? And get you products as fast as possible. Okay? And as cheap as possible on shipping. Okay? But all of this is going on behind the scenes. Our ownership, all right, awesome. You get to chat and talk with them just about every day. Monday, you learn about the products, okay, through Dr. Ryan and Lisa, okay, and then on Wednesday, Nodder does like a nice 30-minute little session and tells you tips and tricks and how to get people excited to look at Live Good, either as a member or just, customer or an affiliate. Thursday is a 1 hour where all 4 founders get together, and it's a neutral Zoom meeting that you can use. It's recorded too. You can watch it live, invite people live, watch it live, and it's neutral where anyone can watch it. And if they want to sign up, put a link to your affiliate link. Mine is joincory.com. Pretty simple, right? Friday is a big company meeting. All right, so Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and then some people have live Zooms and little get-togethers just on their own. All right, you have your own little tribe. All right, worldwide. Okay, so with Live Good, what is a tip? Is there a trick? Is there gossip? What's going on? How did I sign up over 400, going on 500 people, Oh, okay, over the last year or two. And I'm a guy with no experience. I just know how to turn on a webcam, get a cup of coffee. All right, if I have a cup of coffee, you know that it's before noon. I always have coffee before noon and then have a nice tasty beverage afterwards in my big white cup. Okay, I got my little mug now, so it must be morning. Okay. I like to talk about the products because they are not overpriced and they're the best. That's how I became a maniac affiliate. I was just a customer in the beginning. I bought a product called Super Reds and Super Greens. If you look to the left of your screen, you can see those little white containers on my mini fridge there. Super Reds, Super Greens. I like the Orgasmic Coffee, the E3. We have a lot of products now, but when I heard about LiveGood, I was in a company, or I was not in a company, I was buying the product Super Beets. And I ran into an ad somewhere about Super Reds. Organic, bigger container, 1/3 the price. Count me in. All right, so I got rid of the Super Beets and became a huge fan of Super Reds. Then a month or two goes by, and I thought, well, $40 one time. I don't have to buy products each month in order to qualify to get commissions. I am not Mr. Amway, Herbalife, Tupperware, Mary Kay. I'm just not that guy. But with Live Good, boy, I'll tell you, I wanted to be a member because for $10 a month, I was saving about 40. All right, would you put a $10 bill in an ATM if 40 or $50 came back? Of course you would. So I became a customer first, then a member, and then, gosh almighty, I had two $20 bills laying around. I became an affiliate. Then I became good at just inviting people to a link. That's all I do because with the video that it goes to, the video you're going to have when you join, all right, it's a 5-minute and 55-second video. All right, our CEO, Ben Glinsky, he takes over and does all the heavy lifting. He talks about everything perfectly in less than 6 minutes. You don't want to have a long, drawn-out 1-hour seminar and Zoom meeting. Not in the beginning. Do what I do. Get a nice little domain name. I went to GoDaddy, bought this for about $11. All right, there's my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I bought these business cards at Vistaprint for about $20. Okay, and then when you go ahead and put in that, let's see, joincory.com. I'll just show you real quick. I like to make my videos here about 10 minutes. Looks like I got a couple more I can chat with you folks. This is your capture page where people, if you want more information, you're going to put your name and email. If you want to join Live Good, you're going to put your name and email address in and just click that orange button. Okay, then open up that Live Good email and you can get your username, password. You can configure how you want to get paid, either your bank or cryptocurrency. We even do that thing. Okay, but here, right in the middle, is the 5-minute and 55-second YouTube video. Okay, that's how I've signed up well over 400 people. I'll have 500 by the summer. Okay, I want you to duplicate. Please copy what I do. Make things easy. You don't have to get business cards, but I'll tell you on a street level, if you just go ahead and do the business card thing and let people go to this page, and then of course they can go to Live Good on their own accord and check out the products. All right, you can go to the products tab. Nothing wrong with that, huh? I'm a big fan of showing off the products. Look at all the products we have now. Okay, go to the FAQ. Okay, the FAQ is awesome. Look at all those questions right there answered. Then go to the pay plan. Okay, go to the bottom of your cell phone or computer. It'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. Please read this page, but go to the bottom. There's another YouTube video with the pretty girl there. Watch and see how we get paid on the membership side. So guys, I hope you do what I do. Sign up first, $49.95. Get yourself a business card for $20. Get yourself a domain at GoDaddy for like $11. And make it simple. Invite people to click something to watch that video. Done. Okay. All right, guys. Cory at CoryDraper.com. Thanks for subscribing to my YouTube channel. And that's it. I hope you're living good and living great. All right. Take care, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Okay. Bye.